Hey, welcome back to PixSnap. You kept asking for this one in the comments. Workshop tools, not flashy stuff. The tools that save you a call-out fee, a wasted afternoon, or a wall full of wrong holes. 12 picks today. Every link is in the description. Let's get into it. Ever tried measuring a room alone and needed a second pair of hands just to hold the other end of the tape? This tool fixes that. A laser distance meter and cross-line laser level in one, with 3 laser heads for vertical, horizontal, and cross projections. Range up to 96 feet at plus or minus 2 millimeter accuracy, plus auto area, volume, and Pythagorean calculations. Backlit LCD, Type-C rechargeable, aluminum body built for job sites. Link below. Drilling into a wall without knowing what's behind it is how a small job turns into an expensive repair. This scanner detects wood, metal, and live AC wiring using 4 sensors instead of the usual 1 or 2, up to 4.72 inches for metal, under 2 inches for AC lines. Laser positioning marks exactly where to drill, and the backlit LCD makes it easy to read even in low light. If you're hanging a TV or mounting shelves, this keeps you out of trouble first. Link below. Stripped screws usually come from one thing: too much force on delicate hardware. This screwdriver gives you 6 torque settings from 0.5 to 6 Newton meters, so you can go gentle on electronics or stronger for furniture. Smart display shows torque and battery in real time. Dual speed trigger for precision or speed, and it comes with 30 bits plus a built-in LED light. One tool for most of the screws in your house. Link below. Quick note, this runs on Makita 18V batteries sold separately. It's a brushless oscillating tool with 6 speeds from 8,500 up to 21,000 OPM. Low gear for careful sanding, high gear for cutting wood or metal. Kit includes 15 sandpapers, 4 blades, a scraper, and an auxiliary handle with a quick-release lever for fast swaps. Good for the small jobs a full-size saw is overkill for. Link below. Highballing an angle and hoping it's close enough is how cuts end up crooked. This measures the full 0 to 360 degrees at plus or minus 0.5 degrees with a hold button to lock your reading. It also works as a sliding T-bevel to transfer any angle directly onto your material, plus a built-in bubble level to check you're working straight. For any job where the angle actually matters, link below.
Some problems don't show up until you can literally see the heat. This reads temperatures from negative 20 degrees Celsius to 300 degrees Celsius and uses FLIR's MSX technology to overlay real visual detail onto the thermal image, so you get a picture that actually makes sense instead of a blurry heat blob. Wi-Fi built in for uploading straight to the cloud, backed by FLIR's 210 warranty. Not cheap, but it catches problems before they get expensive. Link below.
Some places you just can't get your eyes into. Behind a wall, inside an engine bay, down a pipe. This has a 5-foot semi-rigid probe that articulates 210 degrees in both directions with its own 4.5-inch screen built in, so no phone or app needed. 8 adjustable LED lights on the tip, fully waterproof, one-handed joystick control. See exactly what you're dealing with before you cut into anything. Link below. A bad crimp is worse than no crimp at all. This is 3-in-1. Automatic stripping for AWG 24 to 10, plus a ratcheting crimper for AWG 22 to 10 that handles heat shrink connectors and insulated terminals. Heat-treated steel blades, forged jaws for a consistent crimp, and ergonomic non-slip handles. Covers most home and automotive wiring jobs in one tool. Link below. A full-size drill is the wrong tool when you need something small and precise. 5 speed settings up to 20,000 RPM, 104 accessories included for cutting, sanding, engraving, and polishing. Battery runs up to 150 minutes, remembers your last speed setting, and has a touchscreen display plus 360-degree LED lighting around the tip. Good for detail work and small repairs where control matters most. Link below. A crooked picture frame is a completely avoidable annoyance. This projects a self-leveling cross-line laser accurate to plus or minus 3 millimeters at 10 meters, auto-adjusting within 3 degrees. Comes with a magnetic bracket for hands-free use, standard tripod mount, IP54 waterproof housing, and up to 7 hours of runtime for picture hanging, tiling, or any install that actually needs to be straight. Link below. Over-tightening a screw is one of the easiest ways to strip a thread, and most people never feel it happen until it's too late. This has a torque range of 10 to 70 inch-pounds, adjustable in 1 inch-pound increments. Set your target and it gives you an audible click the moment you hit it. No guessing. Comes with 12 S2 steel bits and a 1-year warranty for bike repair, scope mounting, or anything where tight enough has an actual number. Link below. Every workshop eventually has a mess and a spill on the same day. This handles both. 2.5 peak HP, 60 CFM airflow, 2.5-gallon tank with a wall mounting bracket so it's not taking up floor space. Comes with a filter bag, foam filter, utility nozzle, and crevice tool, all with onboard storage. Simple, reliable, and it's a bestseller for a reason. Link below. And that's the 15th PixSnap Roundup. 12 tools, measuring, detection, power tools, and cleanup. Everything a proper workshop actually runs on. Every single one is linked in the description with my affiliate link. Same price for you, small cut, keeps this channel going every week. Drop in the comments what category you want next. Hit subscribe for a new video every week. See you in the next one.